Would you believe this beautiful pool deck was once a drab-looking concrete slab with cracks and uneven expansion joints? RenuKrete is your first choice when it comes to renovating the concrete deck of your commercial swimming pool and brings resort-style appeal to the pool area using the old existing concrete. RenuKrete can make your concrete deck resemble the look and feel of natural flagstone and slate tile. RenuKrete can make cracks and uneven expansion joints disappear as if they never existed and won't leave your pool deck looking overly glossy or chip and peel over time like other techniques. Even if your pool deck is covered with a failing overlay or ugly old paint, RenuKrete can help. Management companies, condo associations, private pool clubs, and hotels are turning to RenuKrete every day. RenuKrete installation is typically measured in days, not weeks or months. RenuKrete is durable, low maintenance, and can be easily cleaned. Renovation is low impact without noisy and lengthy demolition. No risk of damage to underlying piping, fence, and landscaping through demolition. RenuKrete is the only concrete product that can be repaired if any slab problems occur in the future. RenuKrete offers periodic cleaning and maintenance if needed to keep your new deck fresh and great looking for years to come. RenuKrete is everything you ever wanted out of your pool deck. Practical, life-proof, enjoyable, tough, and durable, but most of all, simply beautiful. Let RenuKrete reveal the beauty of natural stone that is hidden away in your concrete surfaces. Turn drab into magnificent. Call us today. RenuKrete, better concrete floors inside and out.